What was that? Huh? I heard something. There it is again. I heard it too. What is that noise? I didn't hear nothing. I think you guys are just faking. Shh, listen. Alright, guys. I hear it too. Come on, let's go check it out. There's a package here. Come on, let's see what it is. I'll go get the scissors. Cut it open, Keen. I'm trying. Ugh. It's getting louder. What is it? Got something. Oh, I think I heard its foot. Here, I gotta cut it open a little bit more. Just don't cut it, whatever it is. I'll try. Not to. She sings. That's the noise we were hearing.
What's this on me? Help! Help! I'm stuck!
Come on, guys. Got it. I got the bag too. We'll get you out.
Oh, thanks. Hi. Hi. Where am I? You're home with us. Yeah. Welcome to our home. Oh, hi. I'm Harmony, by the way. I like to hum and sing.
Cool. We want to hear more. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.